In 1998, OKM's founder and general manager, Mr. Krause, developed the first metal detector of the Future series, the Future 2000. Now, 20 years later, we are proud to announce another detector of the Future series, the Future 2018. You simply scan the ground with its horizontal probe to detect buried treasures, hidden artifacts, and underground voids. You may also turn the same probe into a vertical position to survey the underground in more detail. Wireless data transfer to a tablet PC with Visualizer 3D software is included and allows acoustic and visual data analysis. Determine the position, size, and depth of detector targets easily. Please contact your local dealer for additional information regarding the Future 2018.